little friends. I'm Benny, the Fruit Explorer. Today, we're going on a yummy adventure to learn all about fruits. Do you like fruits? They're super important. They help us stay strong and healthy. Kiwi, pear, strawberry, orange, apple. We should eat at least 5 fruits and veggies every day. Ready to start? Let's go! What's this round orange-colored fruit? It's packed with vitamin C and keeps us from getting sick. You guessed it, orange. Say it with me, orange. Juicy and delicious. Now look at this one, red, shiny, and crunchy. Sometimes green, sometimes yellow. It's an apple. Say it with me, apple. Yum, apples are the best. Oh, long, curved, and yellow? That must be banana. Say it loud, banana. Monkeys love them, and so do we. Look at these tiny little fruits, purple or green and super sweet. You got it, grapes. Say it with me, grapes. I could eat a bunch right now. Wow, this one's big and heavy. Green on the outside, red and juicy inside. It's watermelon. Say it with me, watermelon. A perfect summer treat. Now this one's big too, with a rough skin. It's a melon. Say it, melon. Melons look like big rocky balls, and they taste so sweet. Here's a fuzzy brown fruit that's green inside. Can you name it? It's kiwi. Say it with me, kiwi. Such a fun fruit. What's this soft fruit with a velvety peel? It's a peach. Say it with me, peach. That's a fruit party. So sweet and juicy. These little red fruits are so cute. They're cherries. Say it with me, cherry. Let's pop a few in our mouth. Nom nom nom. Whoa, spiky outside, golden inside. It's pineapple. Say it with me, pineapple. Perfect for dessert. Here comes a green or yellow fruit with a chubby little bottom. It's a pear. Say it, pear. Yummy and soft. Can you spot this bright red fruit with little green leaves? It's strawberry. Say it with me, strawberry. Ever had strawberries with whipped cream? Here's a tropical superstar, yellowish orange and oh so sweet. It's mango. Say it with me, mango. One of my all-time favorites. Finally, here's a bright yellow fruit that's very sour. It's a lemon. Say it with me, lemon. Perfect for lemonade and so many recipes. Wow, you did an amazing job today. Orange, apple, melon, kiwi, peach, pear, strawberry, banana, watermelon, cherry, pineapple, mango, lemon. That's a fruit party! Want to learn more cool things? Make sure to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. See you next time, little fruit lovers.